Hey everyone, so here I'm doing exercise 6.2, fifth question. This is from India chapter of class 6. This is the last question for this exercise, and the question here is find the sum, and they have given two problems. The first one is minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Now whenever you're adding a two integers, there are some rules to follow. The first one is when they have a same sign. Same sign means the two integers have like positive, or they are like both are negative, that is minus and minus. Then how to solve? If they both are like positive, then just simply add them. If they both are negative, like minus 2 minus 5, then also you add them. So whenever you have a same sign, both integer of same sign, then you have to perform addition. But what will be the sign of the final answer? It will also be remain same. That is, if you're adding a two positive integer, your answer will be positive. If you're adding a two negative integer, you have to just simply add them and then put minus sign. So your answer will also be negative here. Okay, we're going to solve this, you're going to understand that. Now what happens if the signs are different? If the signs are different, then you have to subtract the integers. After subtracting, now now you have to just make sure about the sign here. When the signs are different, you have to look at the number which is greater. Whichever number is greater, the sign you have to put here. For example, suppose we have minus 7 plus 5. Okay, so you can see minus 7 is negative integer and 5 is positive. So you have to subtract them. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, now what will be the sign here? Which number is greater? Don't look at the signs here, just look at the number. 7 and 5, which one is greater? 7 is greater, and 7 has negative sign, so final answer we're going to have a negative sign. That's it. So this is when the signs are different. Now we're going to use this thing and we're going to solve these two problems. So the first one we have here is, it's minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4. You can just avoid the bracket. It's 4 and then plus 16. Now you don't have to do this in a single, you can do this in a single step depending upon how many marks they're asking. You just select the number of steps here. Now here you can solve this in many ways. The simple one is, I'm gonna first solve the first two integers, okay, and then I'm gonna go further. Or what you can do is just solve the first two integer because they have a same sign, and then you solve the last two integer because they also have a same sign, and then you can solve it. Anyway, your final answer will remain same. So first I'm going to solve the first two integers and the last two integers because they have a same sign. I'm going for that step. Now this is equal to, now same sign means we have to add them. So 9 plus 7 will be equal to 16, right? So we'll get 16. Now they have a same sign, so that is negative sign. The final answer will also be negative. Okay, then plus, now 4 plus 16, they both are like same integer, they have a same sign, so just simply add them. 16 plus 4 is 20, and since both integers are positive, the final answer will also be a positive. Next, so you can see 16 is negative, like minus 16 plus 20, they both are different, opposite sign. Different sign means we have to subtract them. So 20 minus 16 is 4. What about the sign? Now which one is greater? 16 is greater, 20 is greater? 20 is greater. Its sign is positive, so this will gonna have a plus sign. So the answer will be plus 4. That's it. Then the next question, so that is 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 and then plus minus 8. Now it's completely on you which number you have to select or which number you're gonna solve. It's completely upon you. So again here I'm gonna solve the first two integer and the last two integer, or you can solve last two integer and then whatever answer you got, again you solve this with minus 2 and then you can do it. This will gonna increase the number of steps. I'm gonna remove one step here. I'm gonna select the first two integers, that is 37 and plus 2, and I'm gonna add the last two integer, that is minus 65 and minus 8. It's completely on you, which whether is easy for you, go for that. Now this is equal to, So the first two integers, like you can see, the signs are different. 37 is positive and minus 2 is negative. Different sign means you have to subtract them. So 32 minus 2 is 35. We'll get 35 here. Now which number is greater? 37 is greater or 2 is greater? It's 37 and the sign is positive. We'll get plus sign here. Then we have a plus sign here. So this plus sign I'm going to write down here, which will be plus. Then the next two integer, you can see they both have a same sign, which is minus. Minus 65 minus 8, they both have same sign. Same sign means we have to add them. So 65 plus 8, we're going to give you 73, right? This is 73. Now same sign, same number, same integer means same sign. The final answer will going to also have a same sign. So it's minus and minus, so the final answer will also be a minus here. We'll get minus 73. Now you can see minus 73 is negative and 35 is positive, so different sign means we have to subtract them. So 73 minus 35 is equal to 38. So we'll get 38. But what is the sign here? Which number is greater, 73 or 35? It's 73 and 73 is negative, so the final answer will also be a negative. So that's it. We have done both the problem. I hope this is clear. Now in case you have any question or doubts, you can drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.